The conventional deadlift is a lower body compound exercise with an emphasis on the posterior chain, the glutes, hamstrings, and spinal erectors. To set up, stand with your feet hip width, placing the bar over your midfoot. Grab the barbell outside your legs with your desired grip technique. Aim to grab the bar as close to your legs as possible, whilst remaining on the textured part of the bar. Next, push your knees forward towards your elbows to get into position. This should place the barbell against your shins. Screw your feet externally into the ground. This helps with hip position and stability, knee tracking, foot stability, and force production. Pull your shoulders down toward your hips, imagining that you're bending the bar. You should feel a squeeze around your armpits, and this should also take the slack out of the bar. Push your arms long and avoid bending your elbows. The bar should be directly under your armpits. Next, brace your core. To brace your core, we need to create a neutral spine and intra-abdominal pressure. To do this, there are 4 steps. 1. Imagine that you're pissing up a wall, creating a gentle posterior pelvic tilt. 2. Stack your ribcage over your pelvis by crunching slightly. 3. Engage your lats by pulling your shoulders down toward your hips. And 4. Breathe into your stomach, expanding the side walls of your abdominals. Note that how much you tilt your pelvis or crunch your ribcage will depend on the individual's static posture. You're simply aligning your ribs and pelvis. These positions should not be forceful or excessive. And lastly, look forward and push the crown of your head to the ceiling. For the action, on the concentric, leg press the floor away, dragging the barbell up your shins and reaching the crown of your head to the ceiling. On the eccentric, lower the bar with control by hinging at the hips, pushing your hips backward and dragging the barbell down your shins. Reset your setup each rep and ensure that the bar is centered. For proper alignment, maintain a neutral and braced core. Aim to have the bar traveling in a straight line over the midfoot. This is your center of balance. Keep the arms long with the barbell stacked under your armpits. And lastly, maintain tension in your feet and hips by screwing your feet externally into the ground.